Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play two-player on Riders Republic. Riders Republic offers an exciting local multiplayer experience called Tricks Battle, allowing you and a friend to compete head-to-head on the same console. This mode utilizes a split-screen display, so you can both see the action clearly. It's a fantastic way to share the thrill of extreme sports with someone right beside you, aiming for high scores and bragging rights. To begin your two-player adventure, ensure a second controller is properly connected to your console. Once that's done, launch Riders Republic and head to the main menu. From there, you'll want to select the multiplayer option. Within that section, look for Local Multiplayer or Tricks Battle to initiate the split-screen setup. The game will then guide your friend to join, making it super easy to jump into the action. Tricks Battle is a dynamic mode where the goal is to dominate the arena. While online, it's 2 teams of 6. In local multiplayer, you and your friend become a formidable duo. Your primary objective is to capture and hold districts across the map by performing as many high-scoring tricks as possible within their boundaries. The more impressive your tricks, the more points you earn, helping your team secure victory. To truly excel and have a blast in two-player Tricks Battle, teamwork is key. Coordinate with your friend on which districts to target and how to defend your captured zones. Don't be afraid to switch between the 3 main sports, bikes, skis, and snowboards, to find what works best for different areas. Practicing a variety of tricks will also significantly increase your point potential, ensuring a fun and competitive experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.